Now in our video number 8, we see the remaining examples in practice set 2.5. Example number 6 is a third example. In this example, alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Then we have to find the values of alpha square plus beta square, and second value we have to find alpha cube plus beta cube. First we have to write the given example y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. First we have to compare this equation to the standard form and find the values of a, b, c, means a quadratic coefficient, linear coefficient and a constant term. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get the quadratic coefficient is there, nothing means 1, comma linear coefficient b is equal to there is minus 2 and constant term or free term is minus 7. Now we have to find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to, we know that minus b by a is equal to minus value of b is minus 2, so bracket minus 2 by value of a is 1 is equal to minus plus 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So here we have to find the value of alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Now we have to find alpha into beta is equal to c by e is equal to, we know that alpha into beta means c by e. Value of c is minus 7 by value of a is 1 is equal to minus 7 by 1 is equal to minus 7. Now we have to take the first term, alpha square plus beta square is equal to, this is the alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. We know that alpha plus beta square is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha into beta plus beta square. We have to interchange the terms. Now put the values is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 2 bracket square minus 2 into alpha into beta is minus 7 is equal to 2 square 4 minus plus 2 7 14. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. This is the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now second, alpha cube plus beta cube. So we know that alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. We know that here alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta square. We have to convert this. Take this term to the left hand side. Alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta is equal to alpha cube plus beta. We have to convert this. We know in 9th class. We have to interchange the terms. So we get here alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket of alpha plus beta. Put the values alpha plus beta, here we have to calculate it 2 cube minus 3 into alpha beta is minus 7 into alpha plus beta, here we have to calculate it 7 is equal to 2 cube means 8 minus plus 3 are 7 21 are 242. So therefore alpha cube plus beta cube is equal 50. In this way, we can find the values of alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. Now, example number 3. Example number 7. Sorry. This is also hot example. Number 7, the roots of each of the following. The roots of each of the following quadratic equation equations are real and equal. Find the value of k. Number example 1. Suppose number 1, 3y square plus ay plus 12 is equal to 0. We have to given this quadratic equation 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Here we have to given the condition the roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. If the roots of the given quadratic equations are real and equal means delta is equal to 0. So first we have to find from this equation the values of a, b and c, and we have to find the value of the discriminant. Now 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get the quadratic coefficient a is equal to 3, the linear coefficient b is equal to k, and the constant term c is equal to 12. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to, put the values of b is k square minus 4 into a value 3 into value of c is 12. K square is equal to k square minus 4 3 12 over 44. Here we get the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 144. But the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. So therefore delta is equal to 0. That means delta means b square minus ac is equal to 0. Put the value. So here take the value k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. So delta is equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac. This value is 0. So we have to put 0 here. K square minus 144. Take 1 minus 144 to the right hand side. K square is equal to plus 144. Taking square roots on both sides. Therefore, k is equal to plus minus 12. Therefore, k is equal to 12 or k is equal to minus 12. These are the values of the variable k. K is equal to 12 and k is equal to minus 12. Now, the second example. number 2 kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. The given equation is not in the standard form, so we have to first convert this equation in the standard form and compare the general form. Therefore k multiply kx, both the terms in the bracket, kx multiplied by x, kx square plus minus minus kx multiplied by 2 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to the quadratic coefficient is k, comma b is equal to the linear coefficient is minus 2k, and the constant term is 6. Now here we have to find the value of the discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equal to, the value of b is minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into value of a is k into value of c is 6 is equal to minus 2k square means 4k square minus 2 square 4 k square k minus plus minus minus plus minus 4 multiplied by k 4k into 6 24k. Now here we have to find the value. So therefore but the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Therefore delta is equal to 0. If the roots are real and equal, the value of delta is 0. Then for this value 0 is, take this k square 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. In this quadratic, we get again a quadratic equation, but in this quadratic equation there is no third term. So take common from this 4 and 24, common is 4. K square and k, common k. You take from this two common 4k, remaining in the bracket k minus 6 is equal to 0. If the product of the two number is 0, at least one of them is 0. Using this property, we can write 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 by 4 or k is equal to plus 6. Therefore k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. We get here two values, but when we observe the quadratic equation, the k is a quadratic coefficient. If you have to take value of k is 0, then this equation becomes meaningless. So k is equal to 0 is not acceptable. Therefore k is equal to 6. Hence the value of k is 0. Remember this, if you have to take the value of k is 0, the quadratic coefficient here k, so value of this becomes 0. So we get the equation minus only we have to get the equation plus 6. This is not a linear equation. This completes the practice set 2.6. Now next point, application of quadratic equation. Last point, Application of quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are useful in our day-to-day life. So here we have to how to solve these examples. Word problem. In this point we have to take some word problems. First we have to read the given word problem carefully and choose one variable. After choosing one variable in the example given condition, make a mathematical sentence and solve this sentence equation, and we get the value of the quadratic equation. Now I direct take a practice set 2.6. Practice set 2.6. Example number 1. Example number 1. The product denoting the numbers of pragatis age 2 year ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Find her present age. Here we have to give us the product denoting the numbers of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years is hence is 84. So here we have to take the variable x. Let present age of Pragati is equal to x years. The age before 2 years ago is equal to 2 years of present age is x, and 2 years ago means x minus 2 years. Age after 3 years is equal to the present age is x. After 3 years, the age is x plus 3 years. By the given condition, the product of these two is 84. So x minus 2, second bracket, x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now we have to solve this. We get the mathematical expression. Now we have to solve this example and convert into quadratic equation. So multiply x to the bracket. X multiplied by x square plus x multiplied by 3x. Now multiply minus 2 to the bracket. Minus plus minus x 2 multiplied by x 2x plus minus 2 3 6 is equal to 84. Like terms x square, take the difference between them. Difference is 1 and 3 is positive plus, so plus x minus 6, take this minus 84 is equal to 0. Now this is like constant terms. Both have negative sign. So take the sum. X square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. In this way, we get the quadratic equation. Now using factorization method, we solve this equation. Here the constant term minus 90. So the two factors of minus 90 are, one is positive, one is a negative. Now here we have to find two factors such that the product is 90 and the difference is 1. So the difference is 1. So we get the 10 into 9. 10 into 9, 90, difference is 1. Middle term positive. So take 10 positive, 9 negative. Now put these values. X square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Take common from these two terms, common from these two terms. Here from first and second term we get common x plus 10. From second bracket we get minus 9 common, x minus common, so this is become positive, plus 10 is equal to 0. Both are the same, so take one side, x plus 10, second bracket, x minus 9 is equal to 0. The product of these two terms is 0, that means at least one of them is 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Take 10 to the right hand side, minus 9 to the right hand side. X is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. We get the values of x minus 10, x is equal to 9. But x is the age of the Pragati. Ages are not negative. Ages are not negative. So therefore x is not equal to minus 10. Therefore x is equal to, we have to take 9. Therefore present age of Pragati is equal to x is equal to 9 years. In this way, we can convert the given word problem into, in this way we can find the value of the x. Next example number 2. Example number 2. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Full stop. Find the numbers. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Now the difference between even natural number is always 2. If you have to take the first one even number is x, then the consecutive other even number is x plus 2, because the difference between any two consecutive term is always 2. Let the two consecutive natural even numbers numbers are x and the difference between two consecutive terms are 2. So first we have to take the first number is x, then the other number consecutive number is x plus 2 by the given condition the sum of squares of means x square plus x plus 2 square is equal to 244 square, this square sum is 244 x square plus on this bracket a plus b square expansion formula is x square plus 2x plus 4x x square plus 4x plus 4 e minus 224 is equal to 0. Take 224 to the left hand side. Like terms 2x square plus 4x take the difference between them, difference is minus 220 is equal to 0. 224 divide both sides by 2, we get x square plus 2x minus 110 is equal to 0. Sorry, here 244 120. Now take the square root x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. We get this quadratic equation. Now third term is negative minus 120. Third term is negative, one factor is positive, one factor is negative. We have to find two factors such that the product is 120 and difference is 2. So, and middle term positive, so bigger number is 12 or 10. Product is 120 and the difference is plus 2. So here x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Take common from this, take common from this. X common, x plus 12 minus 10 common, x minus also become plus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 12, x minus 10 is equal to 0. X plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to plus 10. Here we get the two values. X is equal to minus 12, x is equal to 10. But we have to find the even natural number. Even natural numbers are not negative. Natural numbers are not negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 12. Therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore the two numbers are 10 and 12.